there! Welcome back to Learn German Daily, day 2 of our journey. Yesterday, we learned the German alphabet. Today, we're taking our first real step into speaking German. Greetings. By the end of this video, you'll be able to say hello, good morning, good evening, and goodbye, just like a native German speaker. These are the very first words every German learner needs, because you'll use them every single day. Let's get started. Quick reminder, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a lesson. All right, let's dive in.
Let's start with the most common greeting of all. Repeat after me. Hallo, meaning hello. This one works any time of day, with friends, strangers, anyone. Now let's learn a more formal greeting, one you'd use in the morning. Guten Morgen, meaning good morning. You'd say this to your coworkers, your teacher, or even a shopkeeper in the morning. Let's try the afternoon version. Guten Tag, meaning good day or good afternoon. This is the safest, most polite greeting. You can use it almost any time during the day. And now, the evening greeting. Guten Abend, meaning good evening. Let's repeat all 4 together, a little faster this time. Hallo, Guten Morgen, Guten Tag, Guten Abend. Great job! You just learned 4 essential German greetings. Now let's learn how to say goodbye, because every conversation needs a good ending too. Tschüss, meaning bye, a casual goodbye. This is what you'd say to a friend or someone you know well. Here's a more formal way to say goodbye. Auf Wiedersehen, meaning goodbye formally. You'd use this with someone you don't know well, like a stranger or in a business setting. And one more very casual and popular one. Bis bald, meaning see you soon. Let's repeat all 3 goodbyes together. Tschüss, Auf Wiedersehen, bis bald. Perfect! Now you know how to say hello and goodbye in both casual and formal ways. Let's put these greetings into a simple, real conversation. I'll say each line, then you repeat it. Hallo, wie geht's? Meaning, hello, how are you? Gut, danke. Meaning, good, thank you. Guten Tag, bis bald. Meaning, good day, see you soon. See how naturally these words fit together? That's a real, simple German conversation, and you just said it yourself. And that's a wrap for day 2. Let's recap what you learned today. You now know how to say hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, plus 3 different ways to say goodbye, casual and formal. Tomorrow, on day 3, we're learning how to ask and answer, "How are you?" in German, going a little deeper into real conversations. If you enjoyed this lesson, hit subscribe, drop a like, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bis bald! See you soon!